Let me ask you a quick question. If you spent thousands of dollars working with an attorney to create a solid estate plan, why would you risk undoing it with a do-it-yourself codicil? For a lot of people, the answer is they're trying to save money. But that one homemade amendment, it could be a penny-wise and pound-foolish decision. I'm John Farrell, estate planning attorney and founder of the Farrell Law Firm here in Marietta, Georgia. In this video, I'm going to share a real-world scenario that happens more often than you'd think. Someone tries to update their will on their own without legal help, and their family ends up paying the price. And if you're new here, welcome. I post videos just like this to help families protect their legacy and avoid expensive legal surprises. So if that's something you care about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. All right, let's get into it. Let's say you worked with an attorney years ago to create a will that checks all the boxes. It's valid, comprehensive, and does exactly what you want. But then life happens. A new grandchild is born. One of your beneficiaries moves away. You want to make a small change. Instead of calling your attorney, you write it out yourself. Maybe you say something like, "I hereby leave my lake house to my grandson Jack." You print it, sign it, maybe even get the original witnesses to witness it, and tuck it away. You think, simple enough. Why pay for a whole meeting just to change one thing? Here's the thing. That's exactly what Aretha Franklin did. And her family spent years in court trying to figure out which handwritten will or set of instructions was valid. If it can happen to the Queen of Soul, it can happen to anyone. Wills and codicils aren't casual documents. They have strict legal requirements. Who needs to witness them? How they're signed? What language is used? If your DIY codicil doesn't meet those standards, it might be tossed out completely. Worse yet, it could contradict your original will, creating confusion, conflict, and costly litigation. And here's the part most people don't realize. Even a small misstep, like using vague wording or forgetting to update related provisions, can result in your entire estate plan falling apart. You thought you were saving a few $100s, but now your family's spending thousands to clean it up. That's what I mean by penny wise and pound foolish. This isn't just a celebrity problem. I've seen this happen to teachers, retirees, business owners, people who are just trying to make a simple change. It doesn't take bad intentions. It just takes a bad assumption that you can update a will the same way you might update a grocery list. Here's what you should do instead. If you want to make a change to your will, talk to an estate planning attorney. You may not even need a codicil. In many cases, it's cleaner and safer to revise the will itself. A short call today could save your family years of heartache tomorrow. Let's recap. DIY codicils might seem convenient, but they can create legal chaos. Even Aretha Franklin's estate ended up in court over handwritten documents. When it comes to your legacy, don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Still not sure where your estate plan stands? That's why I created this channel. And to make things easier, I put together a free resource called The Complete Guide to Estate Planning. You can download it right now using the link in the description below. And if this video helped clarify things, please like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's topic. I'm John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm in Marietta, Georgia. Thanks for watching. And remember, estate planning isn't just about writing down your wishes. It's about making sure they're honored without dragging your loved ones through court.